हमारा चैनल लाया है होली का धमाकेदार गिफ्ट। जी हाँ दोस्तों, हमारे लकी सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए हमारा चैनल देने वाला है iPhone 6s। जी हाँ, हम आपको देने वाले हैं एक iPhone 6s, एक एप्पल का मैकबुक प्रो, एक सैमसंग का गैलेक्सी S6 एज और एक ली इको का ली 2 मोबाइल। उसके लिए आपको 3 सीधा सा कार्य करना है। नीचे हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में 3 चैनल्स के लिंक दिए हुए हैं, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, ब्रिजनारी सुमी और ब्रिजनारी सुमी इंग्लिश। आपको तीनों के लिंक पर क्लिक करना है, उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब करना है उन तीनों चैनल्स को। जिस वक्त आप तीनों चैनल्स को सब्सक्राइब करोगे, आपकी एंट्री फिल हो जाएगी। 14 मार्च 2017 को हम ये बताएंगे कि विनर कौन है वो लकी सब्सक्राइबर जिसने जीता है आईफोन, एप्पल मैकबुक प्रो, सैमसंग गैलेक्सी S6 एज और ली इको 2। तो हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहिएगा और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा।
Hi friends, so here we are going to finally talk about Lord Shiva, the Supreme Lord. Friends, today I am going to tell you the major do's and don'ts with Shivling and what we are supposed to offer to the Shivling, what kind of leaves we can offer on the Shivling and what not to offer on the Shivling. First and foremost thing which you need to remember is after the regular bath, friends, you can bath at home. You can bath in some water resource nearby your home, maybe Ganga, Jamuna, maybe Damodar, Godavari, any river. Once you take bath, if you are taking bath in the river, the water is itself auspicious. But if you are bathing at home, friends, always remember to put 2-3 drops of Ganga Jal to your water, or after taking your bath, take some Ganga Jal in your hand and rub it on all over your body, or sprinkle it. It is believed to cleanse an individual from inside as well as outside. Friends, I'll tell you some rules which you need to follow for Shivling. Second rule, first you have taken the bath, now I'll tell you the second rule, the do's and don'ts. Second rule is you have to touch the feet of Shivling before replacing it from one place to another. If you are moving Shivling from one place to another, maybe you are shifting to a new home, maybe you have brought Shivling from a temple, maybe you are shifting your puja room from one place to another. You have to be very careful about the sthapna. Once you replace the Shivling from its original place, touch the feet of Shivling. Next, you have to drown the Shivling into a bowl of water. Take some clean water mixed with Ganga Jal and wash the Shivling. Shivling is always in a stone form, usually a black stone form, something like oval shaped. It's very oval shaped. So once you dip it in a bowl filled with water, you have to clean it and make sure you put some Ganga Jal before drowning the Shivling into the bowl of water. Next, you have to bath the Shivling with ice cold milk. Always remember, friends, whenever you are offering milk to Shivlinga, it should always be ice cold milk from brass utensil. Don't put milk directly bought from the market in a plastic packet or something. If you do not have a brass utensil, you may offer a silver utensil or a copper utensil. But always remember, friends, you have to bathe Lord Shiva with ice cold milk. Next, you have to apply chandan. Chandan is what? Sandalwood paste. After cleaning the shivling, wipe it with a soft cloth and place the shivling on the stand. After cleaning the shivling, we have to apply sandalwood paste on it. Apply a 3-line tilak of sandalwood paste. You can apply the same on your head too. After applying the sandalwood paste, friends, keep the shivling on Nag Yoni. Nag Yoni is what? The stand where you place the shivlinga of Lord Shiva. The stand is usually made up of gold, silver or brass according to a person's budget. So if brought home, shivling must always be kept on a Nag Yoni. Nag Yoni stand made up of gold, silver or brass. Even at home, see friends, when you go to a temple, shivling is always kept under a jaldhara. Jaldhara is, there is a pot hanging just over the shivling, and there, drop by drop, there is a thin line of water flowing from the pot hanging above the shivling. So even when at home, the shivling should be tried to kept under a continuous jaldhara. With no jaldhara, shivling attracts negative energies. So friends, once you want to do the sthapna of shivling at home, you should be very careful that you have to keep the shivling under a continuous jaldhara. With no jaldhara, shivling attracts negative energy. We'll talk about rule number 7, friends. Shivling should never be kept alone. Shiva has a family. Always, whenever you go to temples, whenever you go to any temple or usually at home also, you never find shivling alone in one place. Usually 5 things are always there. One is Ganesh or Ganpati. Second is Parvati. Third is Nandi Gai. Fourth is Kartike Bhagwan. Fifth is Nag. So friends, whenever you are doing a sthapna of a shivling, even at home, you should always make sure you are never going to keep the shivling alone. It should have a Gauri and Ganesh at least, made up of clay, sand close to it. Even if you don't have murtis of Ganesha and Parvati or Gauri Mata, you can always made it up of clay and keep it along. Friends, one thing you should always make sure, we never take any prasad offered on shivling. So you can put thousand things, you can offer hundreds of things to shivling, but you always make sure you are never going to consume anything offered to shivling as prasad. Friends, whenever you are offering flowers, always make sure you are offering white flowers to Lord Shiva. They are considered the dearest to Lord Shiva, and whenever you are offering them on shivling, always consider white flowers. So next time you go to temple, you are always supposed to carry white flowers. Make sure, friends, your shivling must be cleansed and worshipped daily. Otherwise, there is no use of doing the sthapna. Friends, some of the things you should not offer to Lord Shiva. Make sure it is extensively acknowledged. It is acknowledged fact, in fact, that the Lord Shiva believes in living off a simple life with bare necessities, and the things which he cherishes the most are dhatura fruit, bay leaves, bhang, ice cold milk, sandalwood paste, and bhasma. So, worshipping Lord Shiva with these not only appeases him but impresses all the other gods as well. However, as per Shiv Puran, a devout devotee must never worship Lord Shiva's symbol, Shivling, with some of the things which I am going to tell you, or else you have to bear the dreaded consequences. Friends, Lord Shiva is Bhole Bhandari. If you offer him something with love, he'll accept it. But you offer him something which he does not like, he'll get annoyed so easily. One day, Lord Vishnu and Lord Brahma ensued in a battle to prove their supremacy among the divine trinity. And just when they were about to use the deadly weapons against each other, Lord Shiva appeared in the form of Jyotirlinga. He offered them to find the origin and end of him. Lord Vishnu headed for the end but failed to find it. And while Lord Brahma was going up, he asked the flower of Ketaki to lie along with him. Upon their respective returns, Lord Vishnu accepted his defeat. Lord Brahma lied that he found the origin, and Ketaki flower sided him. Angered by their lie, Lord Shiva cut one of the Lord Brahma's head and diminished him from ever being worshipped. As a lord, he then turned to Ketaki flower and cursed it that it never be used in worshipping his symbol Shivlinga. Hence, friends, you should never offer Ketaki flowers to Shivling. Other flowers which you cannot use, other things which you cannot use on Shivlinga is coconut water, tulsi, haldi, kumkum, etc. So friends, today I told you what are the major do's and don'ts with Shivling. So it is advised not to keep a Shivling at home. It is better if you go to a temple and worship, but if you are establishing or if you are keeping a Shivling at home, make sure, friends, you should do it in a very particular way. If it's not worshipped in a proper manner, you have to suffer adverse effects. Unlike regular rituals, Shivling Puja is different. It is done in a very certain set of way. So not adhering them is considered as wrong and disrespectful way to worship Lord Shiva. Thanks for today, friends. Keep writing to me. If you have any questions, please write it below my video. I'll definitely get back to you as soon as possible. Take care, friends. Keep smiling. Enjoy the day. Love you all.